Hey everyone and welcome back. Now in this video we are going to make our features page responsive. So now let me open the features page and now simply click on this edit with Elementor button. And now again I'm going to mobile view and now I can simply edit this section. So I'm going to style, change the typography like this and let me edit section. And I'm going to, this time you can change the minimum height, something like this. Now let me select this heading and go to style and I'm going to change the size, something like this. And let me select the description and change the size. And I'm going to change the line height, something like this. Let me copy. I'm going to paste style, copy and paste style. So let me decrease this typography little by few numbers. Okay, so now this looks good. And now we have this image and this looks already good. And I think our features pages looks already good. And now simply click on update. Now let's move to our next page. And also I can add a link to this button, right click. And here you can add a link. So I'm going to add a link to contact us page, search for contact and simply select this page and then simply click on update. Now, first of all, I'm going to the new tab and I'm going to open the features page and also I'm going to edit this page and I'm going to the pricing page and change the responsive mode to mobile. And for features, I'm going to change the responsive mode to mobile. So I'm going to copy and then simply paste the style. So I'm going to change the, I'm going to see, okay, so now we have 148 pixels of height. So let me close this tab. We does not need this one. And I'm going to add 148, the exact number, like this. Now let me select this heading. And again you can do the same steps. Change the alignment to center. And now I'm going to edit section. And first of all change the padding to 10. And now we are done with our pricing tables. And for again I'm going to edit section. Change the padding to 10. And this is how our forms look like in mobile view. Let me select this heading. And let me change its size. And now let me select this button and I'm going to add a contact us link to here and simply click on update. Now let's go to next page, which is about us page. Again, I'm going to the mobile view. Let me copy the heading, copy the heading properties and I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to edit section and I know I want to set the minimum height to 148 pixel. Now let me copy this heading style and I'm going to paste it right here. Again let me copy this description and I'm going to paste it right here. And now let me copy this heading style. I'm going to paste it right here. And then we have our progress bars. And if you wanna, let's see if you want to suppose, for example, if you want to show 4 progress bar, 2 here and 2 here. So you can simply change the column width to 50 and select this column, change the width to 50. And now you can simply edit progress bar and here you can change the progress bar size. Here you can change the stroke width. Now let me copy the progress bar and simply paste the style like this. Simply paste the style, simply paste the style. Now select this column, change the width to 50 and now select this column and change the width to 50. So this is how you can show the 2 column bars in one column. Now go to edit section and change the padding to 10. And now let me edit section, and this time we are using minimum height, something like this. Now let me copy the heading and paste the style. And again I'm going to edit section, change the padding to 5 or the 10. Now let me edit this icon box and go to content, and I'm going to typography, change the size. Let me copy and paste the icon box style. And now simply click on update. Now let's go to new page, and this time we are going to edit our contact us page. Now simply click on edit with Elementor. Now again go to responsive mode and change the type to mobile. And again let me copy this heading properties and I'm going to paste it right here. Now right click on edit section and change the minimum height to 148. Again we have these buttons, and I think this looks perfect for me. And let me select this heading and I'm going to change heading like this. And then we have our our map, and this looks perfect. And now let me select the edit column, and first of all I'm going to change the margin to 10 pixels, and I'm going to change the padding to 20 or maybe 40, or let me decrease 30. So this time this column works with 30 padding. So every column and every element has its own properties, so don't worry about if there is any properties changing. So you don't need to worry any of those things. And now we are done with our mobile responsive site. So you can see now we have our fully mobile responsive website, but we only left one thing, which is footer, and I think the footer is already mobile responsive. See you in the next video.